How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Accessing the first message in a lengthy Instagram chat can be challenging due to the platform's lack of a direct feature for this purpose. However, there are a couple of methods you can employ to reach the beginning of your conversation more efficiently. First of all, you need to launch Instagram and sign in. So you can use the search feature within the chat. If you got that feature, you can head towards the DM or the messenger icon at top right corner to navigate to your Instagram DM. Now you need to select the direct chat or the desired chat you want. Now you can easily tap on the contact name at the or at the top of the chat screen. Now you can easily tap on the search in conversation option, and if you recall specific keywords from your initial messages, you can enter them here, and after searching you can scroll through the results to locate the earliest messages. This will bring you closer to the start of your conversation without extensive scrolling. Now the second method is simply you can download your Instagram data. So Instagram allows users to download their data including chat histories. To do this, you need to head towards profile icon at bottom right corner, navigate to menu icon at top right, and now you need to simply tap on account center and tap your informations and permission. Select download your informations and tap download or transfer informations. Choose Instagram account and tap on next. You need to simply choose some of your information and now locate the messages. Check mark it, tap on next button. Select download to device. Enter your email address and request the data download. Once you receive the data file via email, you can open the file on your computer or device and locate the messages folder and find the HTML file corresponding to the conversation you are interested in. You can open the file in a web browser to view the entire chat history starting from the first message. By following this step, you can efficiently access the first message in your Instagram conversations without the need for endless scrolling. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.